AI and tools like ChatGPT have just been revolutionizing in our industry. So in real estate, I'm seeing it used all the time. One way that we've incorporated AI into our business is to enhance our listing descriptions and marketing, blogs, newsletters, those types of things. But the key is to make the AI adopt your voice, adopt our personality and our perspectives, not sounding like every other realtor out there. I've seen a lot of property descriptions that have gotten really, really long and filled with a ton of fluff words. Every time I see something like that, all I can think of is too much ChatGPT. It's not talking about why it's great to live there or the real features. It's just adding a ton of adjectives. So take it from me. I've read thousands and thousands of property listings and real estate newsletters. Keeping it simple, keeping it focused, and showing your personality in your descriptions is really the way to do it.